I am Claire Stanley-Manock and I'm the Paid Media Director here at Connected 3.
I am William Levitt and I am Head of PPC at Connected 3.
Being a Google Premier Partner is a really sort of proud mum moment for me. Not only have we just gained our Premier Partner status, but there's actually in the last year 42% of other agencies have lost their Premier Partner status. So while everyone else is losing theirs, we're sort of rising through the ranks and sort of getting ours, which is so amazing given we started out with like one of us. And now, there's a team of 11 and it's just like so incredible that we're there right at the top of Google's list of agencies.
Our original goal was just to be a Google partner. We weren't one, we were a new agency, we had no history. And then as we've grown and things like that, and the new Google partners only came out 2 months ago, C3 got Premier status, which is huge. Only 3% of agencies, Google agencies in the UK get Premier status.
Google has a few different criteria for it, and one is about growth, and I don't think anybody can argue that we've seen the most phenomenal growth in the agency and the clients, in the spend that's going through our Google MCC, but it's also about the retention side of it. So it's about not losing the clients that we have. And so far we've been super lucky in terms of we haven't really lost any clients, and we're just sort of adding more and more ones in as people want to work with us, which is just great.
It just shows that we are on top of Google products. We do things to best practices and have big growth ambitions and company retention.
Google Premier Partner means that we get the best support, meaning that if something goes wrong, something gets disapproved, we can just phone someone up and go, can you sort it out for us, even if it's like Friday night. So we can do those sorts of things, but it also means that we get access to betas and getting the new functionality and sort of always being at the forefront of what's available can sometimes give our clients a really good competitive advantage.
It's just a good way to showcase the hard work that we do in the pay team to get the performance for the clients.